In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Rice University for 2026, step by step. To begin, head to Rice University's admissions apply page and review the first year application requirements. Before you start filling anything out, take a moment to choose your admission plan carefully. Rice offers Early Decision 1, Early Decision 2, and Regular Decision. Early Decision 1 has a November 1st deadline, while Early Decision 2 and Regular Decision are both due January 4th. The important difference is that both early decision options are binding, which means if you're admitted, you're expected to attend. Regular decision is non-binding, so it gives you more flexibility. Make sure you choose the option that truly matches your goals and timeline. Next, complete the common application. If you do not already have a common app account, create one and add Rice University to your college list. As you work through the application, be ready to submit the required materials. These include the application itself, the non-refundable $75 application fee, or a fee waiver if you qualify. You'll also need your official high school transcript, which is typically sent by your school counselor. In addition to that, Rice requires a school report, a counselor recommendation, and 2 teacher letters of recommendation. It's a good idea to request these early so your recommenders have enough time to write strong letters. After that, submit your standardized test scores. Rice requires official SAT or ACT scores. You may be able to self-report your scores in the Common App, but official score reports still need to be sent directly from the testing agency. If English is not your native language, you'll also need to submit official English proficiency scores, such as TOEFL, IELTS, or the Duolingo English test. Be sure to check that all scores are sent on time, because missing documents can delay your application review. Once that's done, complete the Rice Writing Supplement within the application. Rice asks for several short responses and essays, and each one helps the admissions team understand your fit for the university. One prompt focuses on your academic interests and why you want to study that area specifically at Rice, in about 150 words. Another asks what parts of the Rice community appeal to you and how they connect with your background, also in 150 words. Then there is the box, a longer 500-word creative response where you choose one of 2 prompt options and share something meaningful about your personality, perspective, or life experience. Take your time with these essays and make sure your answers are specific and thoughtful. Finally, after you apply, you may be invited to complete an optional alumni interview. This interview is evaluative, and it can be a valuable chance to show your personality and express genuine interest in Rice.